guys, what's going on? This is Parrish Davis, the owner of Direct Asset.
And this is Toriana Davis, my wife and business partner behind the brains behind the operations.
And the beauty.
Yeah, look at that. And our marketing manager that helps with all the stuff that you guys love to see. And guess what? We got some exciting news. So, can you give me a little bit of a drum roll? Now, it is cut just a little bit, so we can open it pretty easy. So I'll let you do this one.
Oh, okay.
All right. This is our unboxing
We
video.
officially received. Okay.
I don't think they're ready.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Our brand new Armor Up product. Okay.
All right. So.
Okay, guys.
Tell them about it.
So this is our brand new Armor Up product. It is our very own organic super green and red blend made up of over 20 organic and red nutrients.
Yep.
Vitamin packed, mineral packed.
Yep.
All right. It supports and improves digestive health, gut health, blood flow. It gives you a little boost of energy. No artificial sweetener, no artificial coloring.
That's right.
No artificial flavoring. I think I got all, like, there's a lot that goes into this. Okay, there's a lot. I actually have a little cheat sheet here because, like I said, it's a lot. It's a brand new product, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my little handy dandy cheat sheet. All right. Let's see. By the way, guys, it tastes like mixed berry, but I'll get to that in a second. All right, so its benefits: increased natural energy and mental clarity, okay?
Yep.
Improved gut health and digestion, reduced stomach bloating and discomfort, supports immune system, improved nutrient absorption, stimulates antioxidant activity, and increased in nitric oxide levels and blood flow. All right, all with a delicious mixed berry flavor.
Oh, yeah.
So,
let's open it up and see how it goes.
Before we do,
I'm going to explain the old product, which, quite frankly, this is what you'll find in stores, and this is why we switched, okay? So, I'll just show this to you, because you might have seen this online. The original Super Green Cleanse Smoothie Blend, and we're going to show you the product difference between what we had, what we got, and why we're basically kicking this thing to the curb. And you'll understand too if you tried it. If you haven't, let's just say that don't.
And it's not that it's an awful product. It's just don't waste your time because we've improved it.
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna show you.
I need to pause a second and smell that.
Oh, it smells just like mixed berry because it's got the reds and the green. So look, we're gonna show you a quality test real quick. I'm gonna mix some of this in first in this glass here. All right, hold it up so they can. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this first. I can get my fingers in there. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you this as good as I can. I want you to watch the consistency of this. All right. Now, pay attention. So, you can see it kind of like sits on the top there, like in a chalky-ish way. And now I'm going to mix it up. Right? Now, I don't know if you can see, but one thing you may notice in here, see all that stuff that's floating around? That's all the stuff that doesn't exactly dissolve inside your drink. So it just kind of floats and sits in there. Right.
It's not terrible if you drink it with something like a protein shake, something of thicker consistency. Right. But it still gets your nutrients in. But we're like, you know what? This isn't it. We need to improve this product. And that's exactly what we did with Armor Up.
All right. So we're done with this.
All right. So let me just bring this closer to you guys. Yep. I want to show you guys like really quick. Like, look at how fine this powder is. Look at how fine that is.
It's almost like sand.
Right?
Like
okay.
Fine sand. All right, so I'm going to hold it up here so you can see it in the water.
It smells so good. So we're going to do a nice level scoop.
All right, now see how that's starting to dissolve already. Already. And I didn't even mix it
yet. Look at how lightweight that is. Like, it didn't just clump to the bottom. It didn't just sink. It's slowly going down.
See it there? Now I'm just going to mix it up. just so you guys can see the quality. And look, it's perfectly mixed, dissolved. And guess what? It doesn't taste like grass. Mixed berry flavor. So look at that.
That is good. But if you can't get past the flavor, if you're not a mixed berry person, the surge berry is a flavor.
Yep.
It tastes like mixed berry. I highly recommend mix it with your favorite drink. If you are somebody who likes iced tea, mix it with a protein shake. However you would like to mix it with something if you don't like it plain as is. Although it does have a very good flavor just the way it is mixed with cold water.
Yep. And cold water is the key because it tastes great, like a refresher, just like similar when you're eating fruits. It's refreshing. It's good. Same thing. Mix it with some cold water, or put it in. You can even mix it with, for example, like a vanilla protein shake to make a vanilla berry. The options are almost unlimited. So next, oh, I almost showed you guys the box.
Oh!
All right. So next, I'll open this one. It finally came in. Our new pre-workout called Blast Off.
Blast Off.
Now, let me tell you about this. Average pre-workout has a bunch of caffeine and proprietary blends, which can have a whole bunch of ingredients in it that you don't even know. We kept this pretty simple with about somewhere around the 7 to 10-ish area, but there's a reason for that because we have an electrolyte hydration blend inside the pre-workout to rehydrate you as you're continuing to drink your water and you're working out at the same time. So you don't get that caffeine crash, you don't get the jitters, the dizziness. You may have that pumped up feeling because it's an enhanced pre-workout, not your normal pre-workout. So therefore, you're going to have that motivation that I need to get up, I need to get focused and pumped and keep going. You hear a little baby in the background? She's happy
getting
too.
excited,
She's going to blast off with her little workouts when she gets older. And it freaking smells amazing. Here, show the picture. It tastes just like that popsicle, the red, white, and blue.
It is red, white, and pump is the flavor.
That's the flavor, red, white, and pump. And it tastes like a popsicle.
So I'll show you really quick how fine this powder is. Look at that.
No clumps, perfect mixture. I'll show you how that's going to sit. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. All that good formula dissolved in like 2 seconds.
Didn't just sink to the bottom.
Yep. And then we're going to mix this up just as well. Same consistency and dissolve super easy. Look at that. Now, imagine popsicle flavor. Actually, I got free samples if you want some. So if you do.
Of both products.
Yeah. Comment and I can send one right to you. You guys have to try. I can't even put this into words. It's so freaking awesome. And one last thing that I'll leave with this video. We have gotten a 1,000% increase in our fluctuation with orders in the last 7 days alone. With samples going out and people are super interested in this stuff right here. And there's a great reason why. We made a great product and we made it affordable for you. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description and you guys can visit straight to the site. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to one of us. She has a Direct Asset Subs Facebook private group, which I'll also leave in the link in the description. Or you can just send me an email or DM on social media. So I think that wraps up our unboxing video. And we are good to go. So you guys, as always, keep doing great stuff and be an asset.